Exciting aspects of our compensation plan is our revenue sharing model, which allows you to build a monthly leveraged income by attracting productive agents to the company. With the introduction of RevShare 2.0, we've simplified and enhanced this process. It offers several exciting new features. Automatic opening of first 3 tiers. The first 3 tiers are automatically open, allowing agents to earn right away without the need to go wide. Agents earn 1.75% on level 1, 2% on level 2, and 1.25% on level 3, for a total of 5% payout across these first 3 levels. First year boost. In the first year, to maximize your initial earnings, you'll earn 5% of GCI on level 1 instead of the standard 1.75%, giving your first year income a significant boost. FLQA requirements for additional levels. To unlock further earning potential, you'll need to meet FLQA requirements. 5 FLQA to fully open level 4, 10 FLQA for level 5, 15 FLQA for level 6, 30 FLQA for level 7. Revenue share bonus. Any unused revenue share from levels 4 through 7 will be redistributed to levels 1 through 3 on a prorated basis, ensuring that agents who are growing their teams early are rewarded. With these enhancements, eXp Realty continues to lead the industry by providing agents with innovative income opportunities and tools for success. For each transaction on Tier 1, you'll get 3.5% of their total commission, which is taken from eXp's 25% commission, not out of the agent's 75% commission. Once the agent has hit their annual cap of $25,000 GCI, they start receiving 100% of their commissions for the remainder of the year. Therefore, you no longer receive income from their deals for the remainder of the year, which is why the max you can earn on this tier per agent is $5,000 for the first year, then up to $1,750 plus bonuses per year after that. You can earn across all 7 tiers, but it depends on how many agents you personally attract and their production levels. For example, if you attract 5 producing agents, you unlock revenue share on both Tier 1 and Tier 2. If you attract 10 producing agents, you also unlock Tier 3. Let's walk through a quick example of how you can create monthly leveraged income through the revenue share program. If you personally attract 5 capping agents, and each of them attracts 5 capping agents, you'll have 5 agents in Tier 1 and 25 agents in Tier 2. For the 5 capping agents in Tier 1, you earn up to $1,750 each, and for the 25 capping agents in Tier 2, you earn up to $2,000 each. This results in an annual leveraged income of up to $58,750 based on these agents reaching their cap. Additionally, since you earn up to $5,000 for each agent in Tier 1 in the first year, the annual leveraged income in the first year would be up to $75,000. For example, 10 sales a year at $10,000 commission per sale can generate substantial leveraged income through the revenue share program.